Hadouken!
Big boy's dragging the Seadoo for his maiden voyage with Psycho Roy Psychopath on the jet ski, ready for some action. Are you ready for this? Yeah. You can't handle this!
But yet, they finally got the jet ski working in the right spot. They're finally setting it up. Took a bit, but they finally got to a good spot. They can do it. Pretty sure they're doing it. They're finally doing it. Pretty sure they're just about to launch off. Nice blue jet ski. Light blue. Pretty good fast me. And he's about to get on it. It's about to work. It actually just got out of that container right there. Now it's over there. And there he goes.